Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain about coordinate geometry in this first exercise, first sum. What is that? Find the distance between the following pair of points. First one, 2, 3 and 4, 1. Here the given points are 2, 3 and 4, 1. You have to assume that first point we let P of 2, 3 and Q of 4, 1 are the given points. You have to assume as the first point P and the second point be Q. Then P point just you have to write down here x1, first one x1, y1 and x2 points. Always the points are x comma y. Here 2 points are given, so you have to assume as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Distance formula. Now what you have to find out? Find the distance between these 2 points. Distance formula. So distance formula, that is PQ equal to distance between P and Q, that means PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now square root of, apply that here, x2 equal to 4, just substitute the values in this formula where x2 equal to 4 minus x1 equal to 2. So 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 equal to 1 minus y1 equal to 3 whole square. Now here 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Square is there, so you also write 2 square. Again 1 minus 3 whole square. 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. So keep bracket minus 2 whole square. Now square root of 2 square equal to 4 plus again 2 square equal to 4. Again minus whole square. Symbol also you have to square that one. Minus square, minus into minus, you will get plus. So plus 4. That equal to square root of 8. This can be written as square root of 8 can be written as 2 4 ja 8. Why? Because 4 is a perfect square number. You can write like this. So square root of 2, again square root of 4. Square root of 4 equal to 2. So the answer is 2 root 2. Like this you can write the answer. So the distance between AB equal to, here we assumed as PQ. So write PQ equal to 2 root 2. This is the right answer. And second one, what are the points? Minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. Again you have to assume that. Directly you can write here given points are minus 5 comma 7 and minus 1 comma 3. So write these 2 points. Later just you have to assume as first value be x1 y1 here and x2 y2. Then apply the distance formula. Distance equal to square root of y2 minus y1 whole square or x2 minus x1. Anyway you can write. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the values in this formula. We assumed as x1, the first point be x1 y1 and second point be x2 y2. So here square root of where x2 equal to minus 1. Here minus x1 equal to minus 5. This value is x1, that equal to minus 5. So you write in bracket. So minus 1 minus of minus 5. Keep in bracket whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square where y2 equal to 3 minus y1 equal to 7. So 7 whole square equal to square root of minus 1. Here minus into minus plus 5 whole square plus of 3 minus 7 where 3 minus 7 equal how much? Minus 4 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 1 plus 5 whole square. Minus 1 plus 5 equal to how much? Plus 4. So 4 square plus here minus 4 whole square. Again 4 square equal to 16. Minus 4 whole square equal to, you will get plus 16. Again square root of 4 square equal to 16 plus 16. That equal to square root of 32. This can be written as 4 8 ja 32. You can write 4 8 ja 32 or 16 2 ja 32. 16 2 ja 32. Why? Because 16 is a perfect square number. So square root of 16 equal to 4 and this one is root 2. Answer is 4 root 2. Like that you have to assume that points be A and B or P and Q, your wish. And first point value at assume as x1, y1 and second point be x2, y2. Now apply the distance formula where distance equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Next you have to substitute the values in this formula and simplify, we will get the answer. This is the procedure. Next question is third bit, minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 2. Just you have to assume that let A of, what is the point, minus 2 comma minus 3 and 3 comma 2. And this point A and B you have to assume. Now here distance equal to, you have to apply that distance formula where distance equal to, here first point be x1 y1 and second point x2 y2. Now square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now substitute the values here, square root of where x2 equal to 3 minus x1 equal to minus 2. So you keep in bracket plus y2 minus y1 whole square where y2 equal to 2 minus y1 equal to minus 3. So again you keep in bracket. Now here square root of 3 minus into minus plus 3 plus 2 whole square plus here 2 again minus into minus plus 2 plus 3 whole square. Now square root of 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 5 square. Here also 2 plus 3 equal to 5, that equal to 5 square. That equal to square root of 5 square equal to 25. So 25 plus 25 equal to square root of 50. Again 50 can be written as here 25 into 2. 25 is a perfect square number. So you can write like this. Now 25 square root of 25 equal to 5. So 5 root 2 is the answer. Is it clarified? If you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section. Now last bit is here fourth bit solution. Just you have to assume let A of A and B. Here the given points are A, B, C, D. So you have to assume as the point let P of A, B and second point you have to assume as Q. So Q of minus A minus B. Now, so here let A and Q are the given points. Are the given points. Now the distance between PQ. Now PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. All this distance formula equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That equal to square root of, where here again write down x1 y1 x2 y2, where x2 equal to minus a Again x1 is a, so minus a whole square plus y2 equal to minus b. Again y1 is b whole square, that equal to square root of minus a that equal to minus 2a whole square plus minus b is minus 2b whole square, that equal to square root of, so first square of the symbol, minus into minus plus, okay. 2 square equal to 4, a into a is a square, that means 4a square, like that here also we will get plus only 4b square, that equal to 4a square plus 4b square. This can be written as 4, you can take it as common, 4 into a square plus b square. Then square root of 4 equal to 2 root a square b square. This is the answer. Is it clarified? Next question here. Find the distance between the points 0, 0 and 36, 15. In the given points, one point value is 0, 0 means that is the origin point. One is origin point O and the second point another point. You can assume as any of the alphabet. Whenever origin and the point, the distance between these 2 points equal to, what is the formula? Square root of x square plus y square. First write the given points. Given origin O 0, 0 and a point P 36, 15. You can assume as any other alphabet. I assumed here P is the alphabet. So the point P 36, 15. So here x, y values. Now distance between any point and origin equal to square root of x square plus y square is a formula. Now substitute the values in this formula. Directly you have to substitute, where x equal to 36, so x square plus y square. Now here 36 square equal how much? Just you have to find out here. 36 into 36. 6 6 ja 36, again 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 3 21, again 3 6 ja 18, 1 keep in mind, 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. 6 9 2 1, what's the value? 1296 plus 15 square equal to 225. Now add these two values. Directly you can add unit digit you should add. 6 plus 5 equal to 11, 1 keep in mind, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 9 12, 1 keep in mind, again the third digit, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, again here in the fourth column or the fourth digit is 1, here any other digit not there, so directly you write 1. 1521, what is the square root value of 1521? So you have to find out. Two ways we know. One is a prime factorization method and another method is, that is a division method. So easy method, 1521 by using prime factorization method you can find out. 1521 is an odd number, so you have to check it with the odd number. Is it 3 divisible or not? Just you have to check it. 3 15 and 3 7, yes. 3 5 15, into it is not divisible, keep 0. Again 3 7 21. Again 7 is the last digit, 7 is odd number, so number is odd number. Is 3 divisible or not? Just you have to check it. Is 3 divides 507 or not? Just see. 3 1 3 20, again 6 3 27. Yes, 3 divides 507. So 3 divides 5 one time, 1 3 3. 2 is a balance, 2 0 20. In 20, 3 how many times goes? 3 6 18. Balance is 2, 2 7 27. 3 9 27. Again in this number, which number is 3? Divide this number or not? Just you have to check it. 3 5 15. 1 is a balance, 1 9 19. 19 is a prime number. So 3 is not divide this 169. Now what you have to do in this, which number is divisible? Just you have to check it. 13 divide this number. So 13 169. Yes, this 1521 equal to 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. Now square root of 1521 equal to, here just two numbers you have to make it as one group. from each group you have to take one number. So 3 into 13, 13 3 ja 13 and square root of 15 21 equal to 13 and here value is 39. Distance between that point origin and the another point value equal how much? 39. Next question here. Verify whether the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1 are collinear or not. Here 3 points are given. What are the given points? First write let P 1, 5, Q of 2, 3 and PQR of minus 2, minus 1 are the given points. First you have to write down, you have to assume that 3 points be A, B, C or PQR. Any of the alphabet you can assume. I assumed PQR. So these 3 points are collinear or not. How can you find out? First you have to find out the distance between 2 points PQ, again QR and RP or PR. Now sum of any two distances equal to third distance, then you can say that these 3 points are collinear. So what you have to do first, distance formula. What is the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First consider first 2 points PQ. Here P of 1 5 and Q of 2 3. Here assume as x1 y1 and second point be x2 y2. Now distance between P and Q, that means PQ equal to square root of, directly you can substitute the values, where x2 equal to 2 minus x1 equal to 1. 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 3 minus 5 whole square. That equal to square root of 2 minus 1 equal to 1 square plus of 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2 whole square. That equal to square root of 1 square is 1 and minus 2 whole square is 4. 1 plus 4 equal to square root of 5. Like that. Here Q, PQ, QR. So Q value is 2, 3 and R points are minus 2 comma minus 1. Again you have to assume as x1 y1. Every time you have to write down like this, x1 y1 x2 y2, otherwise you may confuse. So here x2 y2. Again distance between QR. So QR equal to square root of x2 minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 3 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 2 equal to minus 4 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 4 whole square equal to 16. Again here also 16. That equal to square root of 32. This can be written as 16 2 ja. That value equal to 4 root 2. Square root of 16 equal to 4 and root 2. And third point is here PQQR. Again here RPR, PR. Anyone you can take. So P of 1 comma 5 and third point is R, where R point values are minus 2 comma minus 1. Again you have to assume as x1 y1 x2 y2. Distance between PR, that equal to PR equal to square root of minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 3 whole square plus of minus 6 whole square. That equal to square root of minus 3 whole square equal to 3 square equal to 9 plus, again minus whole square means always you will get plus, so directly I am writing where 6 square equal to 36. That equal to square root of 45. This can be written as, how can you write? 15 3 ja 45. 15 3 ja means 15 and 3 both numbers are not perfect square numbers. Again 9 5 ja 45. Always you have to multiply with one perfect square number and non-perfect square number. So square root of 9 5 is 9 is a perfect square number. Square root of 9 equal to 3, 3 root 5. Now just you have to check it here. First value equal to root 5 and second value equal to 4 root 2 and third value equal to 3 root 5. Any two distant sum equal to third sum. Is it possible or not? You have to check it. No, it's not possible. PQ plus QR is not equal to PR. So here sum of any two segments is not equal to third segment. So these points are not collinear, or hence is it clarified? If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And the next continuation in my next videos, I will explain. Please follow my channel.